Ponhook Lodge Campground is an RV vacationer's paradise that has been run by the Wombolt family for over 75 years. Nestled in the heart of the Southwest Nova Biosphere, this is one of 19 biosphere regions in Canada, encompassing the region traditionally known as Keswick. This area is home to many threatened and globally rare Atlantic Coastal Plain Flora species.
We, that is Southwest Nova Biosphere Association, came here last August and we met with the Wombolts and realized that what we wanted, which was a clean lake for rare species, and I should tell you that we've just found the threatened eastern ribbon snake on these lake shorelines just a half an hour ago. And we realized that we wanted a clean lake and lake health, and that the Wombolt family that really runs on recreation and allowing these kids to get in and out of the water health was essential to the business.
Ponhook Lodge has had runoff issues. Rain would flow off of campers and roads, creating a gully that brought excess nutrients to the lakes, contributing to dangerous blue-green algal blooms.
So the Wombolts immediately said they wanted to solve this problem. Enter in Tara Ralph, a landscape designer, Thomas Chalmers, and they got together and they put something together on paper, which was a rain garden. There's a tilt in the road, the water comes in and it hits this lower level of cobbles, and so the water runs clearly and quickly through these cobbles, comes down, and the cobbles lead down. And you can see here that we've put in berms, and none of this greenery, none of these berms were here 4 months ago. And we put another berm around here, and another berm where Maria's working. And then there's a pathway. And this pathway used to be a road, and now it's a pathway. And that pathway is about 2 to 3 feet higher than it used to be. So this is going to hold in the water that is coming through. After a big rain, the water gushes down into here, and in the space of 4 hours perhaps, this whole thing can fill up. This was excavated by Bill Wombolt. He excavated it down. And he found water at 3.5 feet. That's really significant, because the water that he excavated at 3.5 feet is the water table that is a part of the spring system that keeps Little Ponhook Lake clear. It's a clear water lake. Big Ponhook is a brown water lake. That's a river lake. So clear water lakes are very, very vulnerable to blue-green bacteria. So Bill excavated down to 3.5 foot. He stopped at that point and he filled in with the kind of cobbles you see here. And over those cobbles, he filled it with sand. So what happens is, after the big rain, this whole area fills up, and you notice that Mike and his daughter are planting some nice little flowers here, little sedges, and this is going to be a biodiversity garden as well as a rain garden.
After the hardscaping was done, organic matter was added back into the soil. From there, we planted a diverse array of species, with more wet-tolerant plants being placed in the low-lying areas, such as blue flag iris, and more upland species, such as alders, on the berms.
Now, after this rain garden, this is the particular kind of human-constructed wetland after this rain garden that's filtering the water. We also can go beyond the rain garden to Little Ponhook and have a look at the lakeshore.
For the shoreline, we fortified the slope with logs and rocks, and then added our organic matter, planting mats of huckleberry as well as other species.
This whole shoreline is green, and if it's green, it's taking up nutrients. And we think that these shrubs, these trees are going to trap the sediments, resist erosion, and protect this shoreline and the lake water.